Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a Stranger Things inspired birthday card. You can also use this as an invitation card. For this, take red color paper, fold it into half, then glue black and white color papers as shown. Next, using black pen, draw curves as shown. Then using brush pens or sketch pens, make colorful lights. Next, I am going to write happy birthday. I am going to turn the card so that the birthday comes upside down. Next, I am going to write from upside down. Next, you can write whatever message you want inside the card. Here I am writing, on a scale of 1 to 10, I hope your birthday is 11. Please don't get stuck in a parallel verb. Live your birthday to the fullest and always stay happy and healthy this year and forever. And I'm also drawing a flower monster here. You can also add any other images that you want. And finally, our Stranger Things themed birthday card is ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.